Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you exactly how to flip camera on Discord so you can adjust your video easily and look great on every call. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the OBS Studio application on your computer. This is a free software that lets you manage your video and streaming settings, and having it ready is essential before connecting it to Discord. Step 2. In OBS Studio, click on Start Virtual Camera at the bottom of the screen. This turns your OBS output into a virtual camera that Discord can use, allowing you to control what your camera shows. Step 3. Open Discord and click on the gear icon next to your username. This opens your user settings, where you can customize audio and video options for all your calls. Step 4. Click on Voice and Video from the left menu. Here you can adjust all your microphone and camera settings, ensuring Discord uses the correct devices. Step 5. Under the camera section, select OBS Virtual Camera as your camera source. This links OBS to Discord, letting you flip or adjust your camera directly from OBS before your video appears in Discord. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips.